Well, there are now 6 jurors seated, only one, though, added today. There have been more than 20 interviewed so far, and now, as you just heard, they will be considering 3 charges again, with that third-degree murder charge reinstated.
The Court of Appeals specifically remanded to this court with instructions that I make a decision consistent with their opinion.
Judge Peter Cahill said with the Supreme Court declining to review the third-degree murder issue, he then had to follow the appeals court, which occupies that same judicial building in St. Paul, when they ruled he was wrong to toss the charge out. Even though defense attorney Eric Nelson argued, he also ultimately agreed the judge had no choice.
So, the Court of Appeals and the Supreme Court have spoken, and I don't think there's any lack of clarity on that issue at this point.
Putting that third-degree murder charge back in is seen as a blow for the defense.
I want you to acknowledge that you formed an opinion about this case, right?
I mean, like I said, that's what it was. Like, everybody's going to see him, that he was desperate.
Later, Nelson pushed a juror who had described Floyd as desperately screaming in that viral video. That man, a Hispanic male, though, was ultimately selected as the 6th juror seated. Among those released, a black female who said she could not get past what she saw in that video.
You think you could do that, is presume that he is innocent as you enter the courtroom?
I wouldn't like that verdict.
Also released another Hispanic male who also had a strong reaction to the video as well.
My reaction when I saw the video was, it reminded me of like a war scene.
At that point, the state objected that too many minorities were being struck by the defense, but Judge Cahill disagreed, listing the 6 jurors selected so far.
1 is multiracial, 3 are white, 1 is Hispanic, and 1 is black. So I see no pattern whatsoever from the defense of striking racial minorities.
So far, the defense, Chauvin's attorneys, have used 7 of their strikes. They get 15. They can be used for any reason other than race, ethnicity, religion, or gender. The prosecution's used 4 of the 9 strikes they get. 8 prospective jurors set for questioning tomorrow, and that begins at 9 a.m. In the newsroom, Robles, Fox 9.